This is a screen protector for the Google Pixel 8a phone. I'll go ahead and open it up to show you everything it comes with. We've got some instructions on how to use the fingerprint sensor. There's also a two-pack installation kit, and we have a frame. It feels solid, but still pretty lightweight. Not too sure what this is. And this is for the camera. You actually get two of them, one for the front and one for the back. And then we have two foam bags containing the screen protectors. Here's the first one. This is supposed to protect the screen from scratches and is also supposed to be waterproof. And here's the second one. The screen protectors actually feel pretty thick and durable, much better quality than some others that I have used in the past. And here's a couple of alcohol wipes to clean the phone screen and remove any debris and fingerprints. We also have a little wipe to dry things off, and then we have some dust absorbers to remove the dust from your phone before placing the screen protector on. So the screen protector installed in minutes, and this is what my Google Pixel 8a phone looks like with the screen protector. I've had this on for several weeks now, and there's not a scratch in sight.